First, non-invasive, no needles, no patches, the smart ring called RIZZ. Let me show you everything that the box contains. This right here is the titanium magnetic charging stand. As you can see, this is the ring that I received. I have silver color, but you can also find it in rose gold, gold and black. It comes in different sizes, tailored just for your comfort. This is the USB-C type cable.
The quick start guide provides you with all the information required to get started.
Let me tell you why the ring is so special. It helps you capture and measure everything from your glucose, sleep, stress, heart rate, your HRV, activity count, oxygen levels, as well as your skin temperatures. Using RIZZ can be really beneficial for people in the health and fitness industry, for people who are struggling with handling pre-diabetes, and for those who want to keep an in-depth track of their nutrition and metabolic.